Hello, good morning and good evening to everyone. Welcome to Mainframe DB2 tutorial part 4. So today in this video I would like to share something about the DML commands. So in my last video I was explaining about the DDL command. So this video would be completely about the DML command. So let's go ahead and start with this. So what are the DML commands we have is we will be using is insert, update, delete and select, right? So how do we use this and when working on cobol DB2? So let's know the importance of insert. So insert, it is used to insert the rows in your table, and one insert command can insert only one row at a time. For a multiple row inserts we have to use of a perform loop in a cobol program. So most important point here is number of columns and number of values should be same with the data type. So if you are having a data type, you declare a data type with numeric, and if you're trying to pass an alphanumeric values, it gets abandoned. So we have to be cautious in this area. So what is the syntax in cobol? So it starts with exec SQL, insert into a table name, fields and the values, right? The field, the number of fields and the number of values should match. So example, insert a record into your table name emp. So start with exec SQL, insert into emp number, emp phone. I'm checking the two fields, employee number, I'm trying to enter employee number and the employee phone. So that's it, and exec. So update, it is used to update the column values, and we use a set keyword to update the columns. Where class is used use it for filter rows. So this will be the syntax: exec SQL, update, table name, where field name equal to some values, and where some condition, you have to use some condition over here. So based on the conditions it will update the table. So here is an example. I'm trying to update the phone number where the employee ID is 21010. So exec SQL update emp, set emp phone number equal to this, and where employee ID equal to this, and the statements. In the same way, delete, it is used to delete rows from the table. So the syntax would be delete from table name where conditions, right? Example is I'm trying to delete an employee number, employee record where the employee number is 20101. So delete from table name where emp number equal to 20101, and index. And last and final statement, final query is select. It is used to retrieve the selected values from the table or all the values from the table. So note, the important note over here is a simple select can retrieve only one record at a time. So if you want to retrieve multiple records at a time, so you need to use a concept called cursor. So I would be explaining in my further videos about the cursor with it very details and how powerful it is, how powerful it will be in the real time. The syntax would be exec SQL select field 1, field 2, or you can directly select a star if you want to retrieve all records from the table name and where conditions. So this below is a simple example. Select exec SQL, select emp phone from the table name where emp number equal to this. So that's it. So this was about all the DML and its important commands which we will be using in a cobol. So thank you for watching this video. I will be coming up with more and more videos. Stay tuned to Mainframe tutorials. Have a great and wonderful day.